This is the 40-meter landing craft boat.
If your boat is hated by other boats or rocks, I strongly recommend this one.
Hello, this is Cindy from August Boat. Behind me is a 40-meter landing craft passenger boat. And today I invite Roger to introduce the boat to you together. Welcome, Roger.
Hello, it's Roger from Gospel Boat. So we introduce the boat as a team for you today.
This is the 40-meter landing craft boat and with a 4-meter beam. It can carry both cargoes and passengers. Let's look at the transom area. It's designed for 4 engines, and you can install 2 engines also. The shaft length is 30 inch. Also, the transom is installed to sink to anti-corrosion. There are 4 storage boxes for battery box and the left right. Also, the materials we used are 50A3 marine grade aluminum plate, 6mm. Transom also is 6mm. And for the bottom floor, for the side plate we used is 5mm. Look at this hose. It's for deck self-draining water. And we have the removable hardtop roof. Now let's look at the front door. The material we used is the aluminum checker plate floor. And for the inside we add the strength base. These are the extension wrap. Look at this welding because the inside we welded with the strength base. And the front door controlled by the winch. Also connected with the hinges. Let's look at the materials. We used all the 3x6 stainless steel material and also covered by the cloth because easy for reduce the noise. And here installed the rubber to anti the water tightness. The front area we designed is V4 design. It's okay. Our colleague Roger will introduce the above boat for you now.
Now I'm sitting on the deck of the boat. We have plenty seats, and now I sit one of the seats. You can see it's a very comfortable seat, and with armrest, or with aluminum frame. So this kind of seat is quite functional. It's a small size, but make very comfortable, and you can have the storage here to put the life jacket. Then the backrest can be put down and can be put up as well, and also can be like when you have some resting on the seat. And most important, we have the seat which can be removable. I have to remove this seat base, and it's all with aluminum, so it's no any rusting. Then you see we have plenty of seats. It's like 20 rows with 2 pieces each row. It's like 40 passengers on board. And after remove all these seats, the loading capacity can be 10 tons roughly. So it's a very good loading capacity for the machines, for the heavy equipment, for the building materials, and it's a very good working boat. And then you can see we have a long range roof with fabric on the top. So this makes weatherproof, and also You can put the curtain on each side to make it a totally 100% weatherproof. Also, we have this aluminum hatch, which is watertight, and we do all the pressure testing around. It's no any leakage. And this one can be opened from this handle and put a lot of storage space inside. Also, this one is very strong. That's why we put here also as loading for the cargos. You can see when I stand, very strong. So no any pressure on this hatch. Then you can see we have this console, which is a rice console, and we put this aluminum on the bottom, so makes a better reading for the captain. So I can step on here, sit here. If you can look from the front, it's a very good reading. You can always see what's happening on the front, and when you're driving, it's a very good view as well. And here we put the storage space a lot for the like life jacket, other equipment. We have all the switch panels, all the gauges here on this patch. And then on the back, we have this can be designed for opening with a quick ladder. So you can go to the back for inspections. Also, the engine, the bolted have to be installation from the back. So the reason why we make this is when you step here, when you look on the back on the chassis, and all the back with no any inspection hatches. So this make sure when you have the water flow on the real deck, so no any leakage on the boat hole. This is a very good, very functional one. And on the side, we have also with the storage, 1, 2, 3, 4. These are quite good for some storage of the tools or the maintenance of the engines. So from this view, you can see the layout of this boat is very good boat. It's very suitable for the Pacific Island, for the Southeast Asia, and for the Africa. So if you are on the market for this kind of boats, I strongly recommend this one.
My colleagues just introduced you the outside of the boat, and now we are in the designer's office, so we can show you the 3D model and to show you something you can't see from the outside. And from the drawing, you can see the length is 14 meter and the beam is 4 meter. The molded depth is 2.1 meter, which is around 7 foot. This will help make this boat open sea barge. And on the deck, we got a few watertight hatches. And from the hatches, we can go down the deck, and it can be used as the storage and also for maintenance. So very convenient. And those red pieces are watertight frame. And let's imagine the worst condition. If your boat is hit by other boats or rocks, and one of the compartment is got water inside, the boat can be still float on the water because there's a few watertight compartments. And you can see the V-hull. The V-hull will very helpful to break the waves. Those red frame are all watertight. And under the gunnels, there are a few ventilations for the under deck space. You know, the air in hot weather will be inflatable, and to protect the frame and the under deck structure, the ventilation will breathe the fresh air to to the ventilation to exchange the cold air for the hot air inside. And let's see the rest side. Here is another hatch, so the workman, the technician, can go from here to install the motors and also do the wiring, and it's very convenient. And those pieces are also the whole pieces without hatch, so it will stop the water to come inside the house. This is the whole part that which you cannot see from outside, and all these features make this boat is very safe and a very convenient work for open sea operation. That's all. Thank you.